Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Consumer surplus questions are tricky, but we can solve this graph quickly. Let's identify what the shaded region represents in this economic market. The shaded area is a trapezoid located below the demand curve and above the price level P1. This specific region represents the total benefit that consumers receive from purchasing the good. In a market with a price ceiling set at P1, the price is legally blocked from rising to equilibrium. This creates a shortage where the quantity demanded exceeds the quantity supplied. Assuming consumers with the highest willingness to pay by the goods, this shaded area illustrates consumer surplus. That makes option C our final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing when reading graphs. Trust given labels and check your steps carefully.